Hello. One beautiful, wonderful, sunny, subtropical winter day again here in Pacific Haven in Queensland, Australia. And I have just started one of the areas I really have to clean along the fence line, and while cleaning, found something delicious and beautiful to harvest. So this is always like when you can expect anything with overgrown area in a food forest. So yeah, I will show you what's in there, and I will harvest it with you so you can see the whole beauty. Let's go. I already filled a huge bucket with unwanted growth here along the fence line. The idea was to clean the overgrown lemon guava, so trimmed already this one and still not ready with cleaning, but just noticed, I have here the purple yam growing, and try to be gentle not to damage the foliage, the growth of this one here. But noticed, look, this is the same, just noticed that the trunk of it here at the base is already pretty much has already finished growing. So this one won't do much, and we also have winter now, beginning of winter here in the subtropics. And I noticed, probably won't see it on the image in the video, but yeah, this is like quite high amount, which most likely is the purple yam, which is ready to harvest. It lifted the soaking hose as well, which goes down there. So I will be harvesting this one now, and also all the little bulbits which are growing on the vine, or like this one here, and this one, which will grow new plants. So I will have them available in late spring again, the purple yam. So we'll be gently harvesting these ones which are everywhere. But for now, let me harvest the purple yam, and I will show you what we've got here. So, got the fork underneath, and probably won't be able to do it with one hand, but let's try. So let's have a look what we've got here. Yes. Look at it. I will get it out completely, and then we see how big it is. So, got it out. This will be about 3 kilo, I guess, at least. Look at this beauty. And of course I broke some off. This will be cleaned and be going to the birds straight away, and we will have for the next few dinners sorted. I will just rinse it and show you in its whole beauty. And here it is after rinsing in its entire beauty. I will let it dry here in the sun before taking it with me. The little pieces go to the birds, to the animals, and yeah, super happy with the quick and easy harvest. Purple yam is a fantastic vegetable, perfect for growing in tropics, subtropics, and maybe if you have a hot house in a cooler climate. Not sure about it, but yeah, basically plant and forget, plant late spring, forget, and harvest in winter. And yeah, super easy. And of course, as usually, the better the soil, the better they will grow. And if you are already growing it, don't forget about the little bulbits to harvest, store, and plant in spring, or just leave them in the soil and they will go off when the time comes. If you don't do it, if you don't store your bulbits, if you don't plant them, yeah, you will have to buy the plants again from me in spring. And if you don't have this vegetable yet, the purple yam, I will have some plants available in late spring again. And I will keep cleaning. The main idea was mowing here and getting some get through, but yeah, got stick here. Now finishing it off, cleaning and then mowing, and then hopefully it will look nice when I'm done. So I will show you at the end of this video. So cleaned a little bit. Tell me it looks better than before. Still not finished, but at least I have a walk through now and can go from there. I hope you enjoyed this short video and I will see you soon. Bye bye.